We have several areas of research that we are particularly strong in, and these include neurodegenerative disease, cognitive aging and memory, addiction and psychiatric disorders, brain and spinal cord repair, neurobiology of breathing, and development of sensory systems. And for a lot of these research areas, there's additional institutional grants to support training, as well as centers that kind of are focused on these aspects of research that provide additional opportunities for our students. Research masters and PhD students here receive a competitive stipend, and it's easy to live in Gainesville on this stipend. So the cost of living index in Gainesville is 89.9 compared to a national average that's 100. Just for comparison, Boston's cost of living index is 162.4, and San Francisco is over 269. So as you can see, Gainesville is very affordable relative to cities that have also very large research institutions. Gainesville also has a very temperate climate. It was in the low 80s today.
Beyond my research and my classes, there's really nothing that the program forces me to do. And so that leaves me room to do the things that I really want to do.
I would say what I like most about UF is the fact that, especially in our department, in the neuroscience department, it's more of a community and a family. There are things that we haven't been able, or we would not be able to accomplish by ourselves as students, but we have so much underlying support from everyone, from other students to very senior faculty, who are willing to bend over backwards to make sure we are able to accomplish what we want.
My favorite thing about UF is how dense the resources are. I don't have to go that far to get what I need, so I'm really lucky in that, how concentrated the health science area is. And I think for the caliber of resources, it's been really economically feasible to enjoy my time at UF.
I felt that it was very, the program and the department and the university, it was a very friendly and inclusive environment.
When I was at UF, I felt like I got not only an education in regards to the scientific content, but I also learned a lot about what it takes to become a principal investigator and a lot of the administrative type things that are required to run a lab.
A lot of the times I would go seek mentoring on certain things from Dr. Sarah Burke, and she's definitely been a great collaborator on several of my projects.
I think one of the big ways that UF helped me, I guess, earn my current position was to really teach me how to communicate to other people. We're required to present our research to a wide audience every semester. And so with doing that and overcoming, the fears of presenting and, just doing that over and over again, you get to be good at communicating, which is a main thing that I have to do every day. I have to talk to clients, explain, how the studies are going, talk about the data, and, you may be talking to people with no background in science, and so you have to be able to communicate effectively.
Your application is going to go through the main graduate college and then be processed through the biomedical sciences graduate program. We also are offering application fee waivers. So if you would like an application fee waiver, please email Amy Davis and myself, and we will provide you with a voucher number so you don't have to pay that $30 fee. In order to apply, you do not need a GRE. So if you've not taken the GRE, fantastic, don't stress about it. You do not need that. You will need a CV, however, a curriculum vitae, 3 letters of recommendation, and a personal statement. Now, when you fill out the application, it does tell you a word limit for the personal statement. Please ignore that. There is no word limit. You want to aim for about 1 to 2 pages. When you're filling out your application, specify neuroscience concentration. And while it'll initially get put together through the biomedical sciences office, it will be us that are reviewing your application.